Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Through testing of Taste of the Wild, Grossman says he discovered the dog food contains heavy metals including arsenic, lead, mercury, and cadmium, as well as pesticides, acrylamide, and BPA. These contaminants can allegedly build up in an animal's body and cause toxicity, leading to adverse health conditions. 29 August 2018.
Take our lead.
A pet food recall is widening after the Food and Drug Administration announced that more than 24 dogs died after eating Sportsmix brand dry kibble. The statement issued on Monday said that the suspect is aflatoxin, a byproduct of a corn mold Aspergillus flavus, which at high levels can kill pets. 13 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
In an update on its investigation into the potential link between certain diets and canine DCM, the FDA listed 16 pet food brands that have been named in 10 or more reports of the disease. The top 3 brands are Akana, named in 67 reports, Signature, named in 64 reports, and Taste of the Wild, named in 53 reports. 27 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.